A 17-year-old boy from Pune was released on bail within 15 hours of being detained for allegedly killing two people by his over-speeding Porsche car on 19th May. According to reports, the minor was under the influence of alcohol while driving. He was released by the Juvenile Justice Board on conditions that he should write an essay reflecting on the accident, seek help to give up drinking, and do voluntary work with the Pune Traffic Police. His father, who was on a run after being booked under Juvenile Justice Act, was detained from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar and was brought back to the city for further probe. But what do the drink and driving laws in India say? Well, according to Section 185 of the Motor Vehicles Act, if a person is found driving or attempting to drive a motor vehicle beyond the permissible limit of alcohol or drugs, they are liable to punishment. Upon the first offence, the driver is liable to face imprisonment for a term of up to 6 months or a fine extending to Rs 10,000 or both. Additionally, their driving licence may be suspended for a specified period. In case of subsequent offences within 3 years of the first conviction, the offender may face imprisonment for a term of up to 2 years and or a fine extending to Rs 15,000. If drunk driving causes injury to another person, then the offender may be punished with imprisonment for a term extending to 2 years and or a fine of Rs 5,000. Moreover, in case the drunk driving leads to the death of another person, the offender may face imprisonment for 2 to 7 years along with the fine. But what if the offender is a juvenile? Well, as per Section 199A of the Motor Vehicles Act, where a juvenile has committed an offence, the guardian of the minor or the owner of the motor vehicle will be held guilty of the contravention and will be liable for punishment. The guardian will be punished with imprisonment for up to 3 years and with a fine of Rs 25,000. The registration of the motor vehicle used for offence will be cancelled for 12 months. Further, the juvenile will not be granted a driving licence under Section 9 or a learner's licence under Section 8 until he or she has attained the age of 25 years. The juvenile will be punishable with fines as provided in the Act, while any custodial sentence may be modified as per provisions of the Juvenile Justice Act of 2000. However, the latest case from Pune has stirred discussions about the laws and subsequent handling of the case. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.